we're both going to be racing. Grandpa's got his Mustang out here. He's going to be running. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video on the channel. As you can see right over there, we got Ticket the Mustang, and we got Rexy, my 2013 WRX. My grandpa's piloting Ticket right now, but we got a no box gamblers race here at Quaker City Motorsports Park. So we're both going to be racing. Grandpa's got his Mustang out here. He's going to be running, and I got my WRX race cars. I don't know if you guys can hear me here, but we are going to do the flat foot shifting again. Last video I got some time trials in, so I've been running about a 13.6 pretty consistently. My launch control has been at $5,000, and my flat foot shift has been at 6,900. Yeah, like I said, guys, we're running brackets, so we're gonna get 2 time trial passes first to see what we're running. After that, we're gonna be dialing in, and then we'll be running for elimination. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, guys. So I was just informed we were running 8th mile. So good thing I have the time slips from these past, well, from Wednesday. So I can see what I've been running in the 8th, just to see if I'm running pretty consistent. So yeah, so this one was a 870, this one was a 867, and this one was a, let's see, on this side I was 8.7. So 8.73, 8.67, and 8.70. So I might dial in at 8.70. We'll see what I run these 2 time trial passes, and then we'll probably dial in at like 8.70. So then that way, if I'm, you know, an inch out in front, I can just let off a little early. Here we go. He's getting ready for us now. I think. Where are you going, buddy? Are you running all the way out through the quarter or no? All right, just let off after 8th. All right. There you go, boys. got you that time. He spun off the launch there, it sounded like. Hey there. Thank you. Alright guys, our 8th mile. I was left lane. 876 at 78 miles an hour. I heard you spin. You spin?
Yeah, I tore the tire up.
I heard it. Did you do a burnout?
No.
No.
I can't do a fucking line lock.
The line lock's not working?
Yeah, it won't work on the fucking hill.
Yeah. You want to try just a dumping left foot brake? Or?
That's the only thing I can do.
Yeah,
And then I missed second gear.
Oh, did you?
Really bad. I mean, fucking bad.
Really?
Long enough for me to say, oh, fuck.
So, do you see my reaction time? I was left lane. 0.037.
Mine was a minus 0.9. That was
Yeah, you went just under, but
I left right on the yellow come on. So I got
that's what I did too. I slid my clutch a little more though. I mean, when I launch, I use my legs slower.
That fucker took off that fast.
Yeah. Did you dump?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I dumped it. I got it.
Oh, what?
3 grand.
3 grand.
Yeah.
Okay, I was gonna ask you. So you did bring it down just a little bit. This is our second time trial. We've been running 870s pretty consistent. So we'll see if we run another 8.7 here. And after that, we should, we'll be in first round of elimination. We're all up to temp. That was an 880 at 78. Reaction time was a 0.03, so good reaction time. 1960 foot, just like all the other runs. What'd you get?
I blew my fucking tires off again.
Blew the tires off?
Yeah. I even got my ass chewed.
By that guy?
No, by the guy up there. They told me not to, when I leave the line and it starts spinning, let off it. So it must have been pretty bad.
Your reaction time was a .07.
Yeah, I know. I got that down.
Wait, so what did he yell at you for?
Because when my tires spun on the starting line, that it was tearing the track up.
Oh. He was saying let off of it when you
Yeah, he says if it does that, just let off,
Oh.
which I understood. I didn't.
Yeah, I get it.
I didn't even think of it.
I ran a 880.
I ran an 8.9.
So I had an 876 and an 880. I figured I'd dial in at 880.
I don't know what to do. I don't know how to.
So
I gotta figure out how to get up. Yeah, no, you're doing good.
guess my reaction time?
I don't know.
The exact same.
Really? Good.
03.
That's wonderful.
03. I'm gonna check my tire pressure because I did run just a little slower, but I mean it was what 0.04 of a second slower. So I mean basically the same thing. So huh? Yeah, I do. Yeah. How'd you do shifting?
Good, good. That shifted nice.
Major
yeah.
shift?
I overshifted probably.
Like too soon?
No, too late.
Too late. I gotcha. What's your 60 foot? Because you're blowing the tires
2.4.
2.4. All right. I'm getting 1.960 foots every time too.
Yeah, I know.
Even if I have, yeah, my rear 60 foots are good. So, but I figure if I run or dial in at 880, and I run a little bit sooner, I can let off. But and then after the first pass, I'll know like, oh shit, I ran 880 I ran slower than 880 letting off, so I can stay in it and I can get right there if I beat the guy. So
yeah, you have to,
that's
you have to do that.
Just feeling it out. So we got 2, 2, 2. There's a guy behind him too. So odd numbers. He's coming down here. It's an odd number. So you'll be running this guy. I'll be running the guy behind me. If that's
you and I.
What?
It'll be you and I right now.
If there's an odd number. You got these. Is this guy going right now? Yeah. He's going right now. Yeah, you're gonna have this guy and this guy. Those two. So 2, 4, 6. Odd guy.
Okay, good.
Yeah. I'm running the guy behind me.
Yep.
And you're running this guy. All right. Okay. Good luck. All right. This guy's running 790. So I'm running the guy behind me. He's dialed in at his 790. Traction control off. 870. He got me there. I went under. Yeah, I ran an 870. Did I shoot him under though? I ran an 870. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So I dialed in at 880. Oh, it looked like I ran an 870. He got me. Yeah, I ran just under. I broke out. He didn't. He dialed in at 890, ran an 894. I dialed in at 880. What was the reaction? He had a .006 reaction. He had a real good reaction time. I had a .19 reaction time, so my reaction time was slow. Yep. That's what it was. Slow reaction time, guys. Slipping that clutch. I didn't do it. So.
Watching it still even back down when I left the starting line.
Did you do a burnout?
Huh?
Did you do a burnout?
Yeah, I did a nice burnout.
I thought it. Yeah, I was gonna say it looked like you did. My reaction time was shit.
Was it?
1.9. He had a 006.
Mine was 0.3 by slipping the clutch.
Yeah. He had a 006.
Did he really?
Yeah.
What was your time?
870. I dialed in at 880, so I broke out. Yeah, I ran under, but he was in front of me, so I just stayed in it. You know what I mean? That's.
And he didn't run under. Well, yeah, because your light.
He
was so
didn't
bad.
run under. Yeah, if my light was a little bit better,
yeah,
he might have, because his dial in was a 790. He ran a 794.
Yeah.
So he ran right on his dial in.
This guy here, I think.
I don't know if he let off or not.
It didn't seem like he let off, but he must have lifted right at the end.
Yeah. Well, it looked like he was out there, so I mean, he probably did.
Because he, he was way out ahead of me.
Yeah.
Because he ran a, where is it here?
He had a cool car.
He ran a 682, and he dialed a 670, so he scraped off at 10.
Yeah. Well, guys, we broke out. We ran a little bit faster than our 880. At least our dial-in was pretty fucking close. My reaction time killed me on that. That's the biggest thing. But even my fastest reaction time would not beat his reaction time, and I mean that comes with slipping the clutch. I mean, if I don't have to slip the clutch and I can just leave on a button, that's one thing. We'll try the Corvette out here. I got some very big news on the Corvette. So yeah, guys, that's been the video. Leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.